Need a reliable 4K body camera that captures every detail, day or night. Whether you're a security professional, cyclist, motorcyclist, or just want hands-free recording, the right body camera can make all the difference. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best 4K body cameras that deliver crystal clear video, dependable battery life, night vision, and portable designs. Check the links below for the latest prices and details. Let's get started. Number 1. BOBLOV M7 Pro 4K GPS Body-Mounted Camera. The BOBLOV M7 Pro 4K GPS body-mounted camera is built for users who need professional-grade recording with strong reliability. It captures detailed 4K video, making it suitable for security work, outdoor riding, and daily documentation. One of its standout features is the 180-degree rotating lens, which allows flexible shooting angles without constantly adjusting your body position. The built-in GPS function adds extra value by recording location data alongside your footage, which can be useful for tracking routes or documenting events accurately. Powered by a large 4,000 mAh battery, the M7 Pro delivers up to 15 hours of continuous recording, making it ideal for long shifts or extended travel. The included 128GB storage provides enough space for high-quality videos without frequent transfers. Its durable body design and secure mounting clip help keep recording stable during movement. Overall, this camera is a strong choice for users looking for long battery life, flexible positioning, and dependable performance in a compact body cam. Number 2. Retevis RT79 Mini Body Camera Wi-Fi Camcorder. The Retevis RT79 Mini Body Camera is a compact and lightweight recording device designed for users who need portability without sacrificing performance. Featuring 4K video recording and built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, it allows quick file transfer and easy control directly from your smartphone. This makes it especially convenient for riders, drivers, or anyone who needs fast access to their footage on the go. Its small form factor ensures comfortable daily use, whether attached to clothing, a backpack, or a helmet. Night vision capability helps capture clear footage even in darker environments, improving visibility during evening rides or low-light security situations. The included 128GB memory card provides generous storage, reducing the need for constant file management. Simple controls and an easy setup process make it suitable for beginners as well as experienced users. With its balance of portability, wireless features, and dependable recording quality, the RT79 stands out as a practical mini body camera for everyday use. Number 3. BOBLOV B4K 4 Body-Worn Camera. The BOBLOV B4K 4 Body-Worn Camera is designed for demanding environments where durability and long recording time are essential. It records in clear 4K resolution, ensuring detailed footage that can be useful for security monitoring, outdoor activities, or professional documentation. Built-in GPS tracking adds another layer of functionality by recording movement and location data alongside video files. The camera also features an IP67 waterproof rating, offering protection against dust and water exposure, which makes it suitable for challenging outdoor conditions. Equipped with a powerful 4,000 mAh battery, this body camera supports up to 15 hours of recording, allowing users to capture a full day's activity without interruptions. The included 128GB storage helps manage large video files efficiently. Its sturdy clip design keeps the device secure during motion, while the rugged housing adds long-term reliability. Overall, the B4K4 is a dependable choice for users who need strong build quality, extended battery performance, and consistent video clarity. Number 4. Ultra HD 4K Mini Camera Wi-Fi Portable Body Cam. This Ultra HD 4K mini camera is designed for users who prefer a small and discreet recording solution that is easy to carry anywhere. Despite its compact size, it delivers sharp video quality and supports Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing quick sharing and remote control through compatible devices. Its lightweight design makes it ideal for attaching to clothing, bags, or helmets, making it suitable for security monitoring, travel, or everyday recording needs. The built-in infrared night vision feature helps capture usable footage even in darker environments, improving versatility during night rides or indoor recording. Simple controls make it easy to start recording quickly without complicated setup. Because of its portable structure, it fits comfortably into smaller workspaces or travel kits without adding extra bulk. For users seeking a budget-friendly mini body cam that combines portability, wireless convenience, and solid video performance, this Ultra HD model offers a practical and flexible recording solution. Number 5. 4K 2K 1080p HD Mini Wi-Fi Body Camcorder. The 4K 2K 1080p HD Mini Wi-Fi Body Camcorder is a versatile recording device built for users who want flexible video settings in a compact form. It supports multiple recording resolutions, allowing you to switch between high-quality 4K footage or lower resolutions to save storage space when needed. The built-in Wi-Fi feature makes it easy to manage recordings from a smartphone, offering convenient wireless control for riders, sports users, and daily vlog-style recording. Its infrared night vision capability improves low-light performance, helping capture clearer footage during evening activities or indoor environments. The small, lightweight design makes it comfortable to wear for extended periods without feeling heavy. Easy mounting options allow it to attach to clothing, helmets, or gear with minimal effort. Overall, this mini body cam is a flexible and affordable option for users who want portable recording, adjustable video quality, and simple wireless functionality in one compact device. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.